Welcome to MakeWebBetter. Today we're going to learn how to set up gateways in FormPay. So this is the payment gateway screen. Now in this section we are going to set up gateways starting with Stripe. So this is basic notification around that you see that some gateways are active already. So Stripe is showing active Razorpay and PayPal and PayU. So these gateways are showing active because we want clients to test it easily, and some customers are not able to set up gateway that easily, and we want them to explore the dashboard without having to set up the gateways first. So what we do is that we provide some basic test keys, and these are from our own test accounts. Don't worry, it's not a security issue. These are just test account credentials, and you can test around creating different forms and payment links with these gateways, and it would work just fine. You would not be able to see the gateways section because that belongs to us, but you would definitely be able to see the payments that have been tracked on HubSpot using these account credentials. Okay, now, so if I go to Stripe, I would see these options. There is this guide through which we can copy these keys out and test it. So for each gateway, we provide two options: test account details and live account details. You can feel both of them. You can feel either of them. So if you want to test it, or if you want to directly collect live payments, you can go ahead and select any of them and start taking payments. So to collect Stripe account credentials, you have to go on Stripe dashboard. Once you log in onto Stripe, you'd see something like this. I am doing it for test mode, but the steps are exactly same for live mode as well. In live mode, there is minus difference around how we can create secret key. I will let you know about when we do it. So this is test account. And if you see that I have the test mode selected as on. So to copy the keys, we have to go in developer section, and over here in the API section, we will see this publishable key and secret key. Publishable key is copyable directly in live account. It would be hidden, but you can click and copy it. So you can copy this publishable key and paste it in this section. Test publishable key because it's a test account. And please make sure you just directly copy it and don't type it because it's quite long. And now to see the secret key. If I click on reveal test key, I would be seeing this test key over here. Secret test key, but on live account. If you have made a secret key earlier, you'd not be able to see it on Stripe. You would have to create a new test key so you can new live key. So in your case, you would have to create a new secret key, and you can name that secret key as like FormPay, because you are going to use that on FormPay. So yeah, make sure the step is right on live account. I can show that to you as well. If I turn off, these are the secret keys, and I'm not able to copy them because these are not copyable, and for security purposes, you just can create a new one. So create a secret key, and you can then select these options, and then a new secret key will pop up, and make sure you copy that in one go. If you have previous secret key already saved somewhere, then you can copy that secret key as well. Now coming back to test mode, I reveal the test key, and I will copy it and paste the test key over here. Now if I see that live publishable key and live secret key are empty. Now this option is to select the payment currency you want to take payment from. So in my case, I want to take payment from dollars. So I'd select dollars. You can select European euro as well, and other currencies like Australian dollars. Theme is like basic, some settings provided by Stripe, and I will show that to you what it means when we start collecting payments. So for now, we can just keep it Stripe and move ahead. Once this is done, I have not filled the live credentials, and if I update it, it would update it and say that payment gateway settings updated successfully. Now this is going to use your test keys. I don't recommend to do in case you want to not put the test credentials, you can go ahead and test the credentials that we already gave. But in case you want to see the payments on your payment gateway dashboard, definitely I would say that then you can copy the test credential and start collecting payments. Let me fill in the live credentials as well. So if I turn the test mode off, publishable key this and secret key, since I cannot copy, I would just create a new one. Hold on. Okay, now this is the key, and I can just copy it and save it somewhere. Now filling this updating. So for this gateway, I would be able to select live account and live Stripe account and live test account as well. Now our gateway is set up, and I'm talking specifically for Stripe. Let's explore how to start collecting payments with Stripe in the next video. You can click the info icon or follow the link in the description for the upcoming video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials in this series. Bye.